Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hey everyone, my name is Nana Julianti. I will help present the result of block discussion 1. Both member are Nanda Rizky Pratama, Muhammad Syafiq, dan Muhammad Reza. The title is how to make a location application and how to enjoy watching a video.
Following are the steps to create follow calculation application. Select MPT, view activity, press next. Fill in the name, save location, minimum SDK is out, then press finish. In the project is play already says finish, and the bottom left then the next step is select Gradle script, then the option will appear, then press Gradle test. If so, the display will appear on the side, then change the compile SDK and target SDK from 23 to 25. Create coding for the home display and activate the bottom function of the display. To shorten the coding time, we will just copy and paste and will explain the meaning of the coding. The first coding example will create the text in the application Android. With parent, set the width of the text view to be the same as the width of its parents. So then the text view will fill the width of the screen. Android layer height 50 dp. Set the height of the text view to 50 dp. Android layer margin top 40 dp. This provided the distance between the top of the text view. Android text simple intense application. They set the text to be displayed inside the text view. Simple intense application. Android text alignment center. This set the text alignment to be centered. Android text color 1CA 522. To set the text color to green. 1CA 522. Android text size 25 dp. To set the text size to 20 dp, 25 dp. Android text style board. This make the text board because in the code there was only is difference, namely Android. So the meaning of the coding is that we have to enter the image. Following are the steps to insert the image. Download the image you want to insert. Change the name of the image according to the coding, for example logo PNG. If so, copy the image, then select double and paste the image that we copied earlier. Then select double and paste the image they copied earlier. The text coding is for the bottom. In the coding, we will change the ID and text according to what we need to name the bottom. And here, we need and process and change the bottom. Then we give the ID and the tag. We give the ID and text the name of the process and change.
The code imports the necessary classes and defines the main activity class, which is an instance of compact activity. This code defines the onCreate method that will run when the activity starts and initializes the button from XML layout and sets listeners for click on them. This code is executed when the specified buttons are clicked, where the button from wait button will start another activity, main activity. This code specifies the behavior when the Instagram link button is clicked, where it will be made to share the message to social media by including certain text and plain text data types. Next, we will create a new layout display to operate the button from body weight and to calculate or idle body weight. Select layout, right click, select new, slide to side, select activity and press empty views activity. If so, a display like the following will appear. Change the name in the activity name section with the coding we created, namely main activity 2. When you press finish, we will create a layout display for calculating body weight. In the weight calculation, we need a vertical liner, layout, text view, edit text, and bottom.
Following is the coding. Here we explain what this coding means. Android ID name provides a unique ID for edit text so that it can be identified in Java code. Android layout width match parent sets the width of the edit text to fill the width of the screen. Android layout height sets the height of the edit text to match the height of the content it contains. Android layout margin left 30 pixels provides a left distance of 30 pixels between the edit text and the left edge. Android layout margin right 30 pixels provides a right distance of 30 pixels between the edit text and the right edge. Android layout margin bottom 10 pixels provide a bottom distance of 10 pixels between edit text and other elements. Android 10 sets the width of the edit text in terms of 10 EMS characters. Android hint name sets the hint or text hint that will be displayed in edit text when no text is entered. Android input type text sets the input type text to text, which means edit text will accept text input. Tools ignore touch target size check. This is an attribute for development tools that allows to ignore touch target size checks. To shorten it, we just copy and paste the code above because it has the same function. We just change the ID and hint sections. Next, following is the bottom coding. Android ID provides a unique ID so that it can be identified in Java code. Android layout width 1x6 dp sets the width of the button. Android layout height wrap content sets the height of the button to match the height of the content it contains. Android text or cancel sets the text to be displayed inside the button to cancel. Android text size 20 sp sets the size of the text inside the button. And for the bottom of the process, we just copy and paste and change the ID and text parts which initially say cancel to process.
The next step, we will create the Java coding so that the application can be processed. Here is the Java coding. This coding import the necessary package, defines the main activity class which is an instance of app compact activity, and implement the text-to-speech on in listener interface, as well as declaring several UI elements such as edit text, button, text view, and text-to-speech object. This code defines an onCreate method that will run when the activity starts. Initializes the view and text-to-speech object, and defines a listener to handle the click event the process button. This code handle the process. Bottom click. Data from edit text is taken to calculate ideal body weight. Based on the comparison with the ideal body weight, a result message is generated and displayed in the result text view, also by using text to speech. This coding function to calculate ideal body weight based on height. Use the BMI formula. The speak method is used from the result text with a voice using text to speech in Indonesia. This coding function to intelligence text to speech to complete. If intelligence is success, status text to speech success. The language is the to Indonesian is the language is not sport of language data is not available. An error message is displayed in if intelligent flash error message to display. The following code citation function to stop the text to speech